And what's poppin' YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing products from the Cake Kiss collection, and this is a black owned business that sells all natural products and very affordable and trendy accessories. And I'm also going to be telling you guys how I, a small YouTuber, a nano influencer, a small creator, got free products sent directly to me. If you're new here, my name is Kene and I make college, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And again, I'm going to be unboxing products from this company. So essentially, the Cake Kiss collection is a small business recently started, and she was just so accommodating, so sweet. The package got here literally one day after I placed my order, 1 or 2 days. And essentially what she had me do was she had me go through her website, super cute, super organized, everything, and pick out, I think, 4 products that I wanted to unbox for my YouTube video. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so here's how the package came in this, envelope. Package, whatever. And on the sticker, so it is like a personalized sticker on it. It says, "Say hello to your new favorite." So that's kind of what it says. Really cute, makes me excited to want to get into it when I open it. So I'm just gonna kind of open it pretty carefully.
20 minutes later.
All right, y'all, so it's already looking really cute. Okay. Here. Okay, so it's nicely packaged. I love this pink bubble wrap. So I'm pulling it out of the package. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, so she has her own little baggie. And I'm not sure what the first product is, but I'm going to pull it out. This first product is a butterfly anklet. So this is kind of what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh, and okay, so I ordered these like numerical earrings. Okay, so here's a better view of the packaging. So I ordered a butterfly anklet and then these like numerical earrings. So it's kind of like Roman numerals all on it. Do y'all see that? And it just it's just so pretty. And the anklet, of course, is beautiful. Definitely hit her up if that's what y'all want. And these are how the earrings look on me. I just decided to try them on to show you guys what they're looking like. So that's the first thing, and again, extra points for the bag. Of course, she gave me some candy, y'all, and I have the sweetest tooth ever, so love me some candy. And then we have, I'm struggling to get it out.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, so now we have this is the designer bracelet. So I actually only ordered 3 items. She gave me the option to order 3 items, but she gave me this designer bracelet just like as a complimentary gift. Look at this packaging, y'all. Like, all right, y'all, so I decided to kind of change the view a little bit so I could unbox it. So yes, even the plastic wrap is on it. She said we are not messing this up, y'all. Do y'all see that? So pretty. All right, guys, so I have the bracelet on, or the bangle set, whatever you want to call it. So this is just kind of how they all look. My wrist is pretty small, but it fits me, and it goes on, and it is just so cute. Oh, I can wear it separately. Well, actually, I can wear them separately as well, so definitely hop on this. So yeah, so that's pretty much all for the designer bracelet. So next in the pack we have, oh my gosh, we have this cute butterfly headband. I also did not order this, y'all. Like, I literally only ordered 3 items, and that was the the anklet, the earrings, and then I ordered this next item, which is coming up. I don't want to spoil it, but a lot of these things are very much complimentary extras, and I just really appreciate her because she really went above and beyond. I'm just going to show y'all what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Do y'all see the sparkles? Yeah. So next in the bag, so here's the third product that I actually ordered that I really wanted, and this is the Lip Gloss Deluxe packaged. Oh, y'all, I cannot wait to use these. She makes these all natural, so everything skincare, everything lip care, all of that is her product. She makes them. So now we're going to try these lip glosses, and I already got my lip gloss off, so this is fresh, you know. So I decided I'm gonna try just 2 of them, and I'm gonna swatch the rest. So I think first I'm gonna start with this one. I don't know, I really just want to try it, so let's get it open. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, this smells like coconut. This smells good. So I'm just gonna put a little on. All right, so this is what this one is looking like, and I'm like, I have a mirror over here and I can kind of see myself, and I really like it. So it's the first one. I'm gonna wipe this one off, but even after I'm wiping it off, it's super moisturizing. Like, so now we're gonna try this gold one. This one smells fruity, but I can't really tell you what it smells like, but just know it smells really good. I like how, like, you know how a lot of like beauty supply lip glosses and stuff feel really sticky? This one does not, which I love, but it still gives you the gloss that you need, and it's very moisturizing. So, ooh, this is the gold one. I like this. So here's just a swatch of the last 3 lip glosses. So from left to right is like the purple sparkly one, then the middle is the hot pink one, and then the last one is just the clear lip gloss, and they all smell amazing and they all look and feel pretty good. So yeah, I still have a few more things. So I already showed y'all the 3 things that I actually ordered. And oh, she gave me these cute trendy clips, y'all. It says baby girl, and then it's like a rose one. Ooh, when I go back natural, best believe these will be in my head, y'all. This is so cute. And so these are under eye patches. This is also a lip patch, which I'm excited to use. Super cute, again, personalized K-Kiss collection. It has little sparkles on it, all that good stuff. I'm so excited to use this. And the last thing we have, is like a card with my name on it with a heart, and then on the front it says thank you, or I don't know if this is the front of a card, I don't know, but it says thank you. I'm gonna open this up very carefully. So first we have a K collection business card, y'all. She is just on it with everything, y'all. And then it says thank you K Cutie at the bottom, and then of course it has her logo, super cute. So I'm not gonna read the whole card, but it basically just says, hey Kanae, thank you for your interest in my products. My name is Kiki and I'm the CEO of the K-Kiss collection. And then she just says thank you at the end, a few other things, and like signs it. Ugh, so personal, so cute. She also gave me a coupon, free shipping plus 20% off. And then she also gave me directions on like how to use the products that she sent me. Y'all, this is everything she sent me, and it is just so freaking cute. And I don't have anything bad to say about it. And so now we're gonna kind of talk about how I even got the product. So of course, I asked her because I was wondering how she found me, and she basically said, oh, like I was just going through Instagram, and she found me basically through my Instagram. Just a couple of tips. One thing I always do with all of my content that I put out, I am heavy on the hashtags, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's on TikTok, Pinterest. I'm very heavy with the hashtags because people go to hashtags and find who they're looking for. That is how brands and other people can scout you, find you, and work with you. I would also say make sure that you have an established niche or defined set of things that you do. So for me, it is mainly college, it is mainly beauty, and then a little bit of like lifestyle. Basically letting brands know that is exactly what you do. Like even being a YouTuber is a niche. Like they know that you can make videos about their products and stuff like that. And then I would say the third thing is having a TikTok or having a Pinterest or just a social platform that you can easily go viral on. So I think out of all the social media platforms out there, TikTok and Pinterest are probably the best ones to get publicity or to get noticed. TikTok, things can go viral like that. Like if the algorithm likes you, like you are going viral. If you use the right hashtags, you can go viral. And using the discover hashtags and like the viral hashtags that are currently going on will get you viral very quickly. With Pinterest, people are always looking up things for inspiration. I put all my Instagram pictures on Pinterest. I put my dorm stuff on Pinterest. I put my YouTube videos on Pinterest, like, because people literally search it up and find you. And I would say Twitter is pretty good for that as well, like, but of course you have to get people to like retweet you and like you. So Twitter, I feel like, can be harder, but at the same time, you know, you can kind of relatively easy go viral with just like a retweet. So the fourth thing I would say is make sure that you follow brands that you want to work with and be an active follower. So liking their posts, commenting on their posts, resharing their stuff to your story. You can also even start off with like maybe buying one of their products and like, you know, sampling it and showing it off. That might also, you know, influence them to want to work with you. So there are so many different ways you can get brands to work with you, but you know, it's in the little things. Like I said, the hashtags and stuff is the easiest thing. Get them brands to sell you free products, because this is so fun. All right guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you especially to the K-Kids collection, to Kiki. Thank you so much. I love everything about it, girl. You are doing an amazing job for a new business, and of course I'm gonna always say support Black owned business to the end. Her Instagram is at K-Kids Collection LLC, and I hope that you guys go and support her. I still plan to continue to support her as well, even if it is not, you know, sponsored or promoted. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite Black owned business. I want to learn more and support more. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications for more college, beauty, and lifestyle related content. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.